When you earn income in different states, you have to pay, those state taxes. If you're playing for the Dallas Mavericks, for example, there's no state income tax. So you're excited, right? Those checks have no state income tax taken out. But all of a sudden, if you go on a West Coast road trip and you're for 2 weeks playing the Warriors, the Clippers and the Lakers, that time that you spend in California, you have to pay for those earned income there. They call it duty days. So as many days as you're there, you have to pay taxes in that state. So it's pretty interesting, right? If you look at an NBA paycheck, it'll break it down. When I've done education for a lot of the NBA players in the G League, we show them that breakdown. We show them that it says Cleveland, Chicago, New York, and you'll start to see, you might have 13 different cities you were in 2 weeks, and it shows that exact breakdown. No two paychecks in the NBA are the same because you're always traveling, or the NFL or Major League Baseball, kind of wherever you are. And then you're playing for the Toronto Raptors, which is another different beast, right? So it's a really high tax rate there, right? So there's things to keep in mind there. I think there's all this nuance, right? Now, it doesn't apply to NIL, but it does to an extent. And what I mean by that is you earn income in the state that you're in for your name, image, and likeness, right? So if you're playing for the University of Alabama, you are getting taxed as an Alabama tax rate. But if you're from Georgia or you're from North Carolina, you also have to make sure you're filing your tax in that state that you're a resident as well. So you actually have to file 2 tax returns because you're from one state, but you also are earning income in another state. So there's this nuance of having to file both taxes.